Hello, today I'm reviewing this IQAir filter, so I'm planning to change it in my IQAir machine. I will show you how to install it, I'll show you how it looks inside, and share my overall thoughts with you. So here we're ready actually to replace our filter, and as you can see, our IQAir says replace filter, and it's PreMax filter, so let's turn it on. I'll show it to you. Yeah, it needs to replace the filter, and we can take our old one out and show you how it looks and compare it to the clean new one. Here you can see how the filter looks like, and it says PreMax filter for IQAir. And I love that it always includes this filter replacement instructions, so you always know how to change it and what to do.
First, turn off and unplug the air purifier. Then we pop open the locking arms on both sides. Then we remove the top diffuser. Then we lift out the first frame, lift out the second frame, and then we slide out the PreMax filter. You also see small filter clamps holding it in. Then we can remove the clamps and take out the old filter and discharge it.
And we haven't been changing this filter for like over 3 to 4 months, I would say. So let's see how dirty it is. And now when you look at side by side, you can definitely tell the difference. Wow, look at that. Look at the back. Okay, here we're inserting our new and clean filter. Let's put our protection little top stuff back. Put them back on all 4 sides. As you can see, it says this way up. Okay, putting it all back.
Now that the new filter and clamps are in, we're putting everything back together. Once everything's secure, don't forget to reset the filter life monitor using the display menu. Overall, we love this filter. It's easy to replace and works great. Highly recommend to check it out if you have an IQAir machine. Thanks for watching!